Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Nahmaduhu wa nasalli ala rasulihil kareem. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am often asked about how to make wudu, how to make ghusl, how to purify ourselves. In the past, I have recorded few of my vlogs in my how to series, how to make wudu, how to make istanja, how to make ghusl, and so on. But still, so many people they asked me and they said, can you do tell us about Tahara in detail and all aspect of Tahara? First of all, Tahara, purification, there is a complete fiqh for that one. If you go to the Madaris or if you go to Darul Uloom, they teach you about this fiqh. And today we will be talking about this fiqh. And there is no harm in learning. It does not matter that, okay, now I'm old and I should not learn this one. We can learn at any age. There is a hadith of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that طلب العلم فريضة على كل مسلمين, that it's compulsory, it's incumbent on every Muslim to seek knowledge, and we should seek knowledge which is required for us to perform my day-to-day religious duties. So many of us, we do not know. I have come across so many people, they said, okay, I'm clean, my clothes are clean and all these things, and I can go and perform prayers. They are unmindful of wudu. And there's so many people, I'm talking about adults, they do not know about proper wudu, how to make proper wudu or how to make proper ghusl. They do not know the wudu. It is mentioned in Al-Quran. So today I'll be talking about briefly, and in my future vlog I'll be talking about in details about the fiqh of purification, about the fiqh of tahara. So tahara, like this, from the worship point of view, salat is the most important thing. It's the pillar of Islam. However, salah has some prerequisite which are required. Suppose if one of the prerequisite is missing, my salat would not be valid. There is a hadith of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, where it's narrated by Hazrat Jabir Radhiyallahu Anhu, where Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Miftahul Jannah as-salat. The key to paradise is salat. The Jannah is a kind of lock, and you have the key, and the key is salat. And Miftahu salat al-wudu, and the key to salat is wudu. If my wudu is not valid, if I do not have wudu, my salat is not accepted. This hadith is in Sunan Tirmidhi. And there is another hadith of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and that hadith is in Sahih al-Muslim, where Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said, Tahuru shatr al-iman, that seeking purity is half of the iman. Yes, half of the iman. So we have to purify ourselves. It does not mean only external body, but internal body too. So tahara means cleanliness or ritual purity. This is what we will be talking about when I'm saying tahara. Tahara means cleanliness, that how to clean ourselves. So tahara in Sharia, it is a term in Sharia. It is called tahara, like cleanliness. In Sharia we talk about it. And the very first thing is that removing any sort of dirt or filth, that is, we call it tahara and cleanliness. And the opposite of that one is najas. And we could be najas by so many ways, which we will be talking in our future vlogs, inshallah. So washing specific body parts means like washing wudu, which also mentioned in Quran, while its opposite is hadath, that means ritual impurity. And then the first type of purification is achieved by removing filth with water or with other pure liquid. Yes, pure liquid. So now we will also be talking about in that what type of liquid we can use, what type of liquid we can't use it, and what is the impure liquid, pure liquid, so on. And or we could clean it with some dry substance such as soil, stones, or tissue paper. This is what we use to clean our najasat. And then the second type is achieved by, first one is that we are cleaning this thing, or when I go to the bathroom, I just clean myself which means istanja. The second one is wudu, which is called minor ablution, means to washing certain part of the body. And then there is a major one which is called ghusl, which is major wash. Or then there is another kind is tayammum, when there is water is not available. So what we do tayammum, and there is a way to do tayammum, in what circumstances we should do tayammum, in what circumstances we should not do it, we will be talking about in detail, inshallah. So tahara in sharia, tahara, whenever I'm using word tahara, it means it's cleanliness, and cleanliness means ritual purity. Okay, it could be sometime we will be talking about external, sometime internal, sometime physical, sometime not physical. So like that's when we will be talking about. So there are different types of tahara. The cleanliness one's belief through proper aqidah, through proper creed. This is also cleanliness. This is also tahara. Somebody's belief is not clear. Somebody's belief is not pure. So how he could attain the tahara? So this is the first one. The second one is cleanliness one's wealth, which is zakat. We say that give zakat, give charity, because it will purify your rest of the money, rest of your wealth which you have. That's why we have to give charity and zakat to purify our wealth. Then the third one is cleaning our body through wudu and through ghusl and one's clothes. It does not mean that my body should only be pure. It means my clothes should be pure. And then how we can do all this cleanliness, how we can attain purity, inner purity and external, internal purity. This is what we will be learning in Tahara. Inshallah, stay tuned for this second series of tahara, the fiqh of purity. Inshallah, we will be talking about in detail in my next session. I'll be talking about the water which we consume for tahara. This is what, there is a complete science for that one, ilm for that one we will be talking about. So stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that whenever new video is uploaded you may be notified. So inshallah, our next session of this series we will continue talking about tahara. Stay tuned, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.